Okay. Now, the main thing is you should know certain things what we have completed or not. Okay. So current electricity we are seeing now, right now.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Bonieta. Just tell me.
Yes,
Go on.
sir.
No, any one at a time. Speak, please. Tell me. One at a time. Speak. Yes. What do you want?
Sir, I think
Nothing.
you should continue.
Sir,
Abhidan
you
sir,
can
क्या कर रहे
continue,
हैं?
sir.
Abhidan
Sir,
Continue,
you
sir,
sir.
can continue.
Okay, this Abhidan sir is disturbing. Okay. Now listen. This please you note on that at current electricity chapter, all these things you should have completed. Okay, by this time you have completed all the things for your self-evaluation. So first you note on this for your self-evaluation. This current electricity chapter, self-evaluation. So what you should know from this? So you should know this. You know that resistance in series, and parallel. Okay. So resistance in series and parallel, whatever be the numerical they give, very simple numerical they give means everybody used to do this resistance in series and parallel. Second one is you know that what is called folding symmetry. If you don't know means, please you should note down this. That's what I'm giving you. If you don't know means, suppose in some batch I didn't teach you means, then you should remind me. So this you didn't teach like that. You have to tell me. Okay. So whatever you know, you delete it. Whatever you don't know, you should note down. So folding symmetry is also you finish. Or mirror symmetry. Please note down. All of you note down fast. Mirror symmetry. All are numerical. All are numerical. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So self-evaluation, numerical, complete circuits, numerical. Then mirror symmetry, and then if capacitor is added in the circuit, capacitor is added. This kind of numerical. If capacitor is added, how to solve the numerical? This also you should know. Fourth one, if capacitor is added. Then second one, finding the potential at any resistance. Finding potential at any particular resistance. If you see this, all the topics now, I would have given you the example also. This there. So you should know this. Then Winstone branch. Finding current in each branch. Then Winstone bridge. Once if Mahi completed all the numericals, then I'll send you. Okay. So Winstone bridge. Then if infinite resistance is there, infinite resistance.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, good evening. Then infinite resistance is there. How to solve the numerical? Okay, if infinite resistance is there.
सर सेकंड वाला क्या है?
Second one, folding symmetry, mirror symmetry, infinite resistance. For polarity of a cell, if the polarity reversed, function the normal. Reverse means some circuits will be like this, and then some circuit will be like this. So these are circuit like this. So polarity is reversed. So this kind of numerical you should know.
Sir, can you explain? Sir, can you explain about the polarity? I could not hear properly.
Right. First you write down. Don't talk too much. जो भी बोल रहा हूँ पहले लिख ले. Understand? Abhidan sir.
Sir.
If the polarity of the cell reverse, this kind of numerical you should know. Then if it is not a closed circuit, if it is open circuit, if open circuit is closed, so first you note down the topics. So this 12 kind of divisions are there. All these things numerical you should know. Only numerical, no derivation, nothing, only numerical. If what is called a folding symmetry, what is called a mirror symmetry, what is called a resistance in series and parallel. In circuit, if capacitor is added, how we determined. Okay, हो गया? Copying is over.
Sir,
Sir,
apart
एक
from
minute, sir.
this,
Which one? Again, I'm reading for you. Please listen. Are resistance in series and parallel, holding symmetry, mirror symmetry, all are numerical. All are numerical. No theory, no derivation, nothing. In current electricity, this kind of numerical you should know. If I didn't teach you any particular topic means, please remind me. We will see in next class. Today also you are going to see some numericals. First you note down this kind of concepts numerical based. So what is the questions? Resistance in series and parallel, this is the 10th standard question. Everybody will do that. Then folding symmetry, mirror symmetry in circuit. Suppose capacitor is added. If capacitor is added, that kind of numerical you should know. Then finding potential at any particular resistance. कुछ बड़ा circuit आएगा, उसमें कुछ resistance में particularly they will ask you to find out the potential. Then finding current in each branch. This already we did. Finding the current in each branch. Then Wheatstone bridge का concept मालूम होना चाहिए. Okay. And then infinite resistance. If n number of resistance is there, not one or two, n number of resistance are there. So how we should solve that kind of numerical? Infinite resistance. If the polarity is reversed, suppose plus minus minus plus, some numericals में वो देते polarity reverse करके देते. They will ask this kind of numerical also in the board exam, so that also we should know. Then if circuit is open, closed circuit, open circuit. So two types of circuit is there. If open circuit is given, how to solve? So all the topics you first note down. हो गया? फटाफट करना है. Don't waste my time. हो गया?
sir, apart from this, आपने कुछ कहा?
Apart from this,
Did you say anything?
no, nothing. 12 topics. हो गया? 12 topics note कर लिया?
Sir, there
अरे भाई, जल्दी करो. Don't waste the time. जल्दी करना है. फटाफट copy करना है. Then today we are going to see some concepts. Some important concepts we will see today.
sir, आपने 7th और 8th मिस किया.
Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Sorry. हो गया? अरे बोलना भाई, हो गया? माही, माही.
Yes. हाँ सर, हो
All of you
गया.
copied? Very good. So 5, 6 के बाद जब numbering में नहीं आ रही यार है बच्चों. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 different types of numerical we can expect in current electricity. So all the type of numerical, whatever the numerical they give, we are ready to face each and every numerical. Okay, so this kind of numericals mainly each and every sum, one topic. In each and every topic, if you see one example I'm giving you. Okay, so we are solving few questions. Now this, for example, resistance in series and parallel, holding symmetry, mirror symmetry, this is all I solved. Now few questions, finding potential at any, then finding current in each branch. It's a 5-mark question. Then Wheatstone also we did. Infinite resistance, few questions only I have to teach you, like infinite resistance. If infinite resistance is given, then if the polarity is reversed, if in open circuit. So some topics are left out, that topic also we will see further classes. Okay, हो गया? Try on the board. Mahi, copied.
Done, sir.
माही कॉपी करी नहीं भाई. हेलो,
हाँ सर किया.
हो गया कॉपीड? कॉपीड आप माही पटेल. हेलो माही, वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर. कॉपी हो गया? माही पटेल कॉपिंग हो गया? हेलो माही पटेल टू एवरीवन. यस सर. हाँ, ओके, गुड. There is a beautiful question. Okay, one question is there. Before to solve that question, we should know the concept. So every question is based on the concept. तो पहला मैंने क्वेश्चन देता हूँ बच्चों, तो वो क्वेश्चन कैसे हमें सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Okay, so it is a capacitor included. If capacitor is given in the closed circuit, how we will solve the numerical? Okay बच्चों, so take down the question. 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Okay. After finishing, please tell me. If you have done the circuit diagram, please tell me.
Done.
1,
4, sir.
2,
Done, sir.
3. Hope all of you finished. Shall I explain you the question first? Abid answer हो गया?
Wait, sir.
Adnan, Abid,
sir.
Shantanu.
जी सर हो गया.
Okay. Now, how to solve this type of question? If capacitance is given, what is the concept you should understand? So first, you understand the question. Okay, beta. Therefore, यहाँ पे 3 ohm resistance is given, and here 2 ohm resistance is given. This two, by seeing itself, you can say whether it is in series or parallel. Is it series or parallel? Parallel, right?
Resist-
This two is in parallel. So 2 ohm and 3 ohm is in between. Maybe it is in parallel condition. Then below that, if you see that some capacitor is given, 2 microfarad capacitor is given, and then afterwards, if you see that 4 ohm resistor is given, then again, if you see third line, below line, if you see that 6 volt battery is connected, and then 2.8 ohm, 2.8 ohm resistance is calculated. Now they are asking you calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistor. In this 2 ohm resistor, how much flow? In this 2 ohm resistor, please, can anyone help this duty? See, during the class hours, if any children call, please, I cannot pick the call. Please, can anyone inform? I cut her call. Because if I take the call, then the entire will get disturbed. So please, hello, girls. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Chaitali, Isra. Hello, Chaitali.
Yes, sir.
So please, can you help me? For duty, Hannah, she is calling me. Tell her that, or you send the message. So tell her that this is the mobile में मैं class ले रहा हूँ. Since I'm taking the class in mobile, I cannot attend any call. So please tell her.
Okay, sir.
Or you pass the message. Not the boys, only girls. Nonsense. Some boys are saying immediately, okay, sir, okay, sir. Right? So नहीं भेजना है. Okay. Then what? So, brother, monkey, listen here. So 2 ohm is there, 3 ohm is there. This is in parallel. Here 4 ohm connected. Here 2 microfarad capacitor. 0.8 ohm resistance. See, again she is calling me. Show. Please tell her I cannot pick the call only. So 2.8 ohm and 6 volt battery is there. Okay. So calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistor. Now they are asking you what is the current in this 2 ohm resistor alone? What is the current? That's what the question. The first thing is by seeing the capacitor, बच्चों को डर आ रहा है. अरे भाई ये सीरीज पे है या क्या पैरेलल में है? Now capacitor is given. What is the formula we have to use? Oh my God! So this tension, generally the children they develop. So first thing is we should know the concept. Concept क्या बोल रहा है? When you switch on the battery, current is flowing. You know from where to where current is flowing. जल्दी बोलिए. How the current is flowing?
From
Resistor में, huh?
Positive to negative.
So positive to
Very good,
negative.
very good, very good, very good. So in other words, what is positive negative column? In other words, what do you say?
Higher.
High
Higher potential
potential
to
to
lower potential.
Fantastic, fantastic. So high potential to low potential, the current is flowing. Always remember that current flows from high potential to low potential. If the potential difference is there, then only the current will flow. Most of the concepts, this basic knowledge होना चाहिए. Current कब आएगा? Current कब flow आएगा? Even for our household circuit also, if potential difference is there only, then only the current will flow. Otherwise, current will not pass through. Because this word, if you remember now, then while teaching the Wheelstone bridge concept, you will understand very clear. Okay, bacha. Okay, देखिए. अभी देखो क्या है यहाँ पे? Calculate that steady current through 2 ohms resistance. So first, what the concept you should understand is, but the battery is connected. So from the battery, higher potential, the current is flowing like this, and the current flows from here, and then it goes like this, and then current goes to the capacitor, and then it goes like this from the junction. If you come and stop at the junction, you know that it gets given. Are you getting my voice? If I turn,
Yes, sir.
very good. So current will flow like this also. Current will go like this, and then you come and stop here in the junction, and then current will go like this, then parallel or current here आएगा, then this current will come and stop here, and then the current will end up in the negative potential. Fantastic. So the track is over. But what is the concept you should understand, particularly if capacitor is given? So if capacitor is given during the charging condition, when the switch of the battery, so what will happen means current will not flow through this 4 ohm resistor because of this capacitor is there. When capacitor is there, it is charging शुरू होता है. Because of charging is occurring, so what happens? The current will not flow through this track. In this track, the current will not flow. So क्या होता है? This behaves like a battery storage device ना. अंदर this is the battery, and this also behaves as a storage device. So current will not flow. This concept you should write down. So note down. Solution बोल के first लिख दो. Concept लिख दो. Solution. Concept. Concept लिख लीजिए. No current flows. No current flows. No current flows through 4 ohm resistor. No current flows through the 4 ohm resistor, as the capacitor offers infinite resistance. As the capacitor offers infinite resistance. हो गया? हो गया? No current flows through 4 ohm resistor, as the capacitor offers infinite resistance. हो गया बच्चों?
सर
This
मतलब
concept
तो पूरा
Yes,
कैपेसिटर
sir.
ऑब्जर्व कर लेगा पूरा करंट.
no, it will not flow. It will not flow. Slowly. It is used to charging. समझ में आया? हो गया?
हाँ सर.
Now, what is the next step? That means you know that this part is current is not flowing. ये part में current is not flow. So now what we have to find out? We should know that what is the question they're asking. ये सब देखे तो आप लोग को confuse कराएगा. Capacity देखे आपको confuse कराएगा. You should not get confused. So boldly you should give the answer for board exam. तो कैसे दे सकते हैं? देखो, calculate the steady current. Because when you know the concept, then only you can solve the numerical. When you don't know the concept, this concept if you don't know means then you will get confused. Okay, so this kind of concept you must know. And therefore, calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistor. So the remaining things, if this part is not there, you know the circuit, how to solve. Already I taught you, so you know that. तो पहले देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पे देखो, तो बैटरी यहाँ पे है, और देखो यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस है, यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस है. First we have to find out the net resistance, and then we have to find out the net current flowing through the circuit. So first we will find out the what is the net resistance. Okay. So step 1 डाल लीजिए. Step 1 का concept लिख दो. Step 1 is concept. Okay. Step 2. To determine net resistance. Determine net resistance. Yes. Put up the answer. Who will say the net resistance? जल्दी बोलिए. By seeing itself, you can say. जल्दी बोलिए. What is the net resistance? फटाफट न्यूम बोल के बताना है. Already we did so many numerical. जल्दी बोलिए. If it is parallel, what is the formula I taught you? If it is parallel means what is the formula?
1
1 by
by
RT equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2.
So, shortcut बोलो. Short trick मारो. Short trick बोलो.
Sir, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2.
So R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2.
Very good. So R equivalent. Equivalent means net. तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, दोनों को ऐड कर लो खलास. तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसमें ही लिखिए. डिवाइड बाय 2%. So 2 3 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 by 5 ohms. What is the 6 by 5 solve करा तो कितना मिल रहा है? 1. Okay. So this two I solved. I get the answer 1.2. Now this 1.2 ohm तो सीरीज हो गया ना भाई, करंट देखो ऐसा आ रहा है, करंट the flows like this. If the net resistance means only one resistance I'll be having here. From the one resistance the current is flowing. Now the current same current will flow here. So it is in series condition. तो ये देखो ये दोनों को सॉल्व किया, मेरे को 1.2 मिला और यहाँ पे 2.8 है. Series means what is the formula? जल्दी बोलिए. What is series?
R1 plus
Equal
R2.
R1 plus R2.
Very good boys. So R equivalent
4 ohm.
net R equivalent equal to 1.2 plus 2.8. What's the answer? What's the answer?
So 4.
4 ohm.
Huh?
4.
So when you solve 1, 2, 3, these three resistances are there. If you solve these three resistances, so you got the net resistance. What is the net resistance? का value मिला आपको 4 ohm मिला. Now we have to calculate the net current. What is the total current flows? जल्दी बोलिए. Step 3. Total current. कैसा करते हैं? What is the Ohm's law?
V by I equal to V by.
Very good. What is the Ohm's law?
V equal I equal V by R.
Ohm's total current. V equal to V R. Ohm's law. Ohm's law का फार्मूला लिखो. I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. तो V क्या है भाई यहाँ पे?
6 volt.
Very good. What is the net resistance?
4
ohms.
तो 6 by 4 कितना आंसर मिला?
V by 2.
1.5 ampere.
Yeah, 1.5 sir.
Okay. इतना तो मैंने कर दिया भाई. इतना तो मैंने कर दिया. Now I have given you a ready-made solution. So ये circuit का what is the net resistance I gave you? What is the net current is flowing? That also I gave you. Now can you answer this question? Calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistor. So is particular 2 ohm पे what is the current flowing? Any one girl, if you say, I'll be very happy. Any one girl. Boys, please shut your mouth.
16.
Die, boys, monkey. Shut your mouth. थोड़ा girls को भी let them involve.
सर वो लोग
जल्दी
पूछ
बोलिए.
रहे हैं, हम लोग क्या
Any
करते
one girl. Any one girl, please answer. What is the current? अरे बच्चों नेट करंट भी दे दिया मैंने, नेट करंट 1.5 एम्पीयर दिया हूँ, नेट रेजिस्टेंस भी दिया हूँ 4 ओम दे दिया मैंने. सो टोटल सर्किट में 4 ओम रेजिस्टेंस है, टोटल सर्किट में जितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा है 1.5 एम्पीयर. बट व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग इन दिस 1.5 एम्पीयर भाई यहाँ पे जा रहा है भाई, बट 1.5 एम्पीयर कैन नॉट फ्लो. सो आई वांट दैट हाउ मच एम्पीयर करंट विल फ्लो इन 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस. कैसा कर सकते हैं? ओके एनीवन बाय. टाइम इज गोइंग अप. जल्दी बोलिए. एनीवन बाय.
सर 6 volt
20.
नहीं
Sir,
सर
to find out we are using a 6 volt. 6 volt, we know the 6 volt potential difference and a 2 ohm resistance. Use I equal V by R formula.
Okay, what's the answer?
3 amperes.
Keep the mobile ready. Keep the mobile ready and solve it and tell me how much current will this resistance will get. This 2 ohm resistance, that is a question. Calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistance. यहाँ पे कितना करंट जा रहा है? यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ohm पे, क्योंकि मैंने सारा सर्किट का दे दिया मैंने. 1.5 ampere current is flowing in the entire circuit I gave you. Now I want that what is the amount of current this 2 ohm fellow will receive. जल्दी बोलिए.
तो
Take the
3
mobile.
एम्पियर.
गूगल नहीं करना, गूगल करता मंडा फोड़ दूंगा. गूगल नहीं करना है भाई, खाली न्यूमेरिकल में.
3 है, आंसर गलत है.
आंसर क्या बोलो?
Sir,
Oh, no one is giving the answer. Anyone
मुझे
girl or
3 by
anyone
4
can give the
है.
answer. Anyone, जल्दी बोलिए.
Ampere.
3 एम्पियर.
3 ampere wrong answer. Any other answer? Any other answer? Any
मुझे
other?
3
Okay.
by 4 आया.
Huh?
3 by 4.
3 by 4 wrong answer.
Hmm.
Wrong answer. जल्दी बोलिए. जल्दी 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 फटाफट फटाफट. That means you are forgetting the concept. Again you are forgetting the concept. Again you are forgetting the concept. अरे बच्चों. Okay, I'll ask you the questions. You answer my question. When I want the current, what is the current is required here? So what is requirement for current? The requirement क्या है? Current is required. Two things is required. If two things is not there, then you cannot find out the current. So what are the two things? Two things is required. One is V.
Potential
As per
difference, resistance.
one is V, one is resistance. तो resistance तो दे दिया ना भाई, वो 2 ohm से पूछ रहा ना, तो resistance तो आपको पता है. But you don't know what is the potential difference existing between the A and B. So first you have to calculate that potential difference. यहाँ से ये से B तक, यहाँ से what is the potential difference existing? If 6 volt battery is connected, can you say 6 volt is the potential difference? Wrong answer. तो कैसा कर सकते हैं? What is the potential difference between A and B? First you have to find out. Then only you can give the current formula. So जल्दी बोलिए. कोई किसी की knowledge है? So okay, what is the potential difference का symbol क्या है?
Sir,
जल्दी बोलिए.
1.8.
V.
बोलिए शरण्या बोलिए.
Sir, 1.8 क्या?
Very good girl.
Ohms law.
Very good girl. Fantastic. 1.8 volt. Fantastic, Sharanya. Very clear है बच्चों. See, one girl gave the answer. 1.8 volt between the potential difference existing between these 2 points. How she get 1.8 volt? We will see. So step 4. It was step 4. Potential difference. Potential difference. Congratulations to Sharanya. Potential difference between AB. तो ये भी का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेरे को चाहिए, तो मेरे को मान होना चाहिए V होना चाहिए, है ना भाई? तो V का फार्मूला क्या है? V इक्वल टू अरे बोलो ना यार,
IR.
V इक्वल टू यार तो व्हाट द नेट करंट फ्लो, नेट करंट तो दे दिया ना, कहां पे करंट नेट करंट 1.5 तो रेजिस्टेंस दिस टू इज इन पैरेलल, तो भाई इसको सॉल्व करता क्या मिला 1.2
मतलब 6/5.
1.5 into 1.2 1.8 what is the potential difference existing between A and B. Fantastic, congratulations, very good girl. जल्दी
तो
करो.
अगर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1.8 आएगा.
हाँ करके देखो ना भाई, मोबाइल रखो, यूज करके जल्दी करो, बोला ना कैलकुलेटर यूज करो. एक एक न्यूमेरिकल भी 1 घंटा नहीं जाना है. फर्स्ट क्योंकि टाइम लेस होता है ना, हमें क्या करना है, जल्दी जल्दी करना है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन, दैट्स व्हाई यू कीप द मोबाइल रेडी बट डोंट सी अदर थिंग्स, जस्ट व्हाट आई से 1.5 1.2 जल्दी चलो. हो गया, मिल गया, गॉट द आंसर.
Sir, current 0.9 है क्या?
Very good, mashallah, mabruk Sharanya, fantastic Sharanya. She gave the final answer. So the current flows through the 2 ohm resistance is 0.9 ampere. Very good, beta, very good. Step 5. Step 5. This is the question. Calculate the steady current through 2 ohm resistance. So current through 2 ohm resistance. 2 ohm. This is the question. So I equal to D by R. So if this is 1.8 volt is flowing, means here also 100% 1.8 volt should flow. That is the common potential difference. So what हो गया आपका? So 1.8 potential difference divided by the resistance is 2. So इसका आंसर निकला
0.9.
3.9. Very good girl, very good. Please copy. हो गया?
सर 1 मिनट.
Okay, okay. Santanu. Samyukta is there? Samyukta?
Yes, sir.
Samyukta, you are doing the correction now.
Hello, sir. It's not audible. Can you say it again?
You are doing the paper correction now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So note down these steps. If anybody has done means you can give full mark. Otherwise, no mark. Okay. If they
Sure,
would
sir.
have, they attempted the
Okay.
question.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Correct the next question. देखो next question करेंगे. All the boys finished or not? जल्दी बोलिए बेटा.
सर
All the
स्टेप
boys
4 और
finished.
स्टेप 5 छोड़ो 1 मिनट.
Okay बेटा.
Done, sir.
So, one more beautiful question. Question number 2.
हाँ सर हो गया.
Okay बेटा. 15 ohm, 10 ohm. Can anyone help me? Take the participant list and send me in WhatsApp. Okay. जो बच्चा अटेंड करे. Hello. Hello. हेलो हेलो बच्चों, सुन रहे हैं नहीं सुन रहे हैं?
हाँ क्या
Hey
हुआ
boys,
सर?
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
take the
sir.
participant list photo and send me in WhatsApp. Okay, participant list. Almost 22 students are there ना?
21.
20 बस 20 है.
हाँ तो 20 मेरा नाम छोड़ दो भाई. So जो भी participants है उसका नाम निकालो, फोटो ले, मेरे को भेज दो. Because I want to check that how many of them have not attended the class. तो वो लोग मेरे को कुछ मैसेज नहीं दिया, करे नहीं. And I am coming rushed because of this class. Rushed from Riyadh. Riyadh से भाग के आया. When I'm taking the class, see they don't bother to attend the class. So this is the involvement of the chip. 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt, 2 batteries given. और यहाँ पे इसको कनेक्शन.
Sir, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. An ideal voltmeter. Reads an ideal voltmeter rates 2 volt with 10 ohm resistance. With 10 ohm resistance. Okay, find the internal resistance. Find internal resistance of this cell. Small r means you know that already it is internal resistance of the cell. It is internal resistance of the cell. So please copy the question first. Okay.
सर
I think-
दो बैटरी से मतलब दोनों सेपरेट सेपरेट इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस होगा.
No, 1.5 volt, not low battery, not high power battery. No. They have given 1.5 volt battery, 1.5 volt battery here they have given. Okay.
हाँ सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Good, okay,
सेपरेट सेपरेट इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस होगा क्या?
very good boy, very good. Fantastic boy. So here 1.5 volt battery, here 1.5 volt battery is there. So दोनों का internal resistance separate separate होता है. Very good. Mabruk. So one answer you said perfectly. And here it is 15 ohms, here it is 10 ohms, here it is 2 ohms. So they are asking you what is the internal resistance of the cell? Internal resistance of the cell क्या है करके पूछ रहा है. Very small. Find the internal resistance of the cell. First, you note down the question. Hello,
Yes, sir.
are you using the laptop?
Yes.
Okay, do one thing. This class is only 40 minutes free class. Okay.
Okay.
So if it is automatically if it is off means then what you should do? Immediately you send the link, you will join in your link. Okay.
Okay, sure, sir.
Don't forget. Because another 10 minutes we have to wait. I have to if I want to send the link means the Zoom will not allow. So another 10 minutes wait करो बोलेगा. You can't wait. So immediately you send the link in the WhatsApp. हो गया? क्वेश्चन हो गया बेटा? नहीं बोलो ना भाई.
Yes, sir.
All the girls हो गया नहीं हुआ?
हाँ सर.
हो गया सर.
Yes. Can anyone give me the clue? जल्दी बोलो. Clue कैसा कर सकते हैं?
इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस पे ढूंढ.
हाँ कैसा हाँ भाई वो तो क्वेश्चन है. You have to find out very good by at least okay ऐसे very good. Find the internal resistance ढूंढना है. कैसे ढूंढेंगे भाई? तो थोड़ा क्लू
सर
दो.
मैं बोल रहा नेट रेजिस्टेंस ये नॉर्मल वाला.
हाँ बेटा कैसा करेंगे? कैसा सॉल्व कैसा करेगा बोलो. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अरे बोलना भाई फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ सर्किट्स. पहले क्या करके रेडी रख लेना. रेडी रखना. यू शुड कीप इट रेडी.
The
Can
net
you-
resistance.
Sir, net.
Resistance.
वेरी गुड बॉय. वेरी गुड अबाव. तो नेट रेजिस्टेंस स्टेप.
सर अब वो मर गया. वो बोल रहा नहीं है.
अच्छा वो नहीं है.
Sir, Abdul Ghani था sir वो.
अबाव इज देयर अमन. अबाव
Sir, yes, sir, there.
above listen very carefully. So step one, what we have to do, we have to find out the net resistance. You give me the answer now, I'll be very happy now if you give anyone girl, anyone boy. What is the net resistance?
8.
Anybody? Shantanu has given 8. Is it correct or wrong?
पता नहीं सर.
Huh? Correct? अरे बोलना भाई.
हाँ सर करेक्ट है.
Correct. or wrong? Correct. Answer is correct. So it is a wrong answer. Anyone? Why it is
Sir,
wrong
20
answer?
है sir.
सर वो
20 है.
क्योंकि
Wow,
एक्सटर्नल
fantastic.
रेजिस्टेंस का 8 है. इंटरनल का ऐड भी करना है बाद में.
Who is that? Who is that boy? अरे monkey, what's your name? जल्दी बोलो. Who is that boy?
किसका सर? ऋषि.
Rishi, very good Rishi. So देखो बेटा,
Aziz.
very good. See, when 1, 2, 3, this is open to you. This is open to you. It is visible to you. Since it is visible to you, you said that 8 is the correct answer. Very good boy. But internal resistance is hidden. So internal resistance क्या होता है भाई? छुपा कर रखा है ना. That also you have to add ना. So write down step 1. Net resistance. Net resistance कैसा बनाएंगे भाई? This two is parallel है. तो parallel को क्या करना है? जल्दी बोलो. शॉर्ट से बोलो. Multiply.
15
जल्दी
into
बोलो.
10 plus divided by 15 plus 10.
We will multiply. Well, 15 tens are 150, 25. What's the answer? 6 ohm.
Right.
This 6 ohm and 2 ohm is in resistance. So 6 ohm and 2 ohm is in series. In series. Yes. Saidani, what is the answer? R equivalent. Resistance in series.
8 sir.
8 देशमुख है वो देशमुख है R equivalent equal to 8 ohm. So resistance in series we get that 8 ohm. This Samyukta 10,000 times she joined. Samyukta क्या कर रही है पता नहीं भाई. Every time she is joining. So R equivalent is when you solve this 3, you get the answer is 8 ohm. So 8 ohms plus you know that pretty well you know that if cell is given means internal resistance is there. So for this cell, small r is the internal resistance. For this cell, one more small r is the internal resistance. So when you add that r plus r, it is 2r. Therefore, total resistance, r equivalent will be equal to 8 plus 2 is the net resistance. 8 plus 2 small r plus r, 2 small r. हो गया हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Now step 2, who will say net current? Anyone girl? I'll be very happy. Boys please keep quiet. Boys please keep quiet. Net current, anyone? What is the net current? I equal to V by R. बोल क्या जल्दी बोलो बेटा. I equal to V by R. Just substitute करके बोलो बेटा. जो भी यहाँ वैल्यू है देख के substitute करके बोलिए. Anyone girl? Tejali, Sharanya, Deshmukh, who is there? Samyukta. Fast.
सर R equivalence क्या लिखा आपने?
Girls. Right, girls. Allow the girls
The
to talk.
question
शांतनु
doubt
जेंडर
सर.
चेंज किया.
Allow the girls to talk.
ऋषि
जल्दी
ज्यादा
बोलो.
बोल रहा है.
Shut your mouth please. जल्दी बोलिए बेटा. Anyone girl, what is the current? Just substitute करके बोलिए. No one? Okay, now boys. Boys बोलिए what is the current?
सर एक डाउट है, आपने टोटल रेजिस्टेंस क्या लिखा?
Total resistance 8 plus 2R.
ओके सर.
8 plus 2R.
सर फिर करंट
बेटा.
कैसे ढूंढना है?
I equal to what is the total voltage? How much? It is in exactly series, na?
So
Not
3
reverse
plus
polarity.
3 by
Same
8 plus
polarity.
2r.
Minus to plus. Same polarity. Not the reversed polarity. Same polarity. So same polarity means just you have to add. So I equal to 1.5 plus 1.5. How much?
3 sir.
3 watt. Or net resistance. What is the net resistance? This fellow is the net resistance. So 3 by 8 plus 2R. So this is the current. Net current. This is the net current. This is the net resistance. So गया बच्चों? Okay, yeah. Up to this over. Now step 3. Step 3. What's the question? They are asking you an ideal voltmeter reads 2 volt with 10 ohm resistance. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक वोल्टमीटर कनेक्ट किया तो so if I connect a voltmeter with the 10 ohm resistance, it gives the voltage of 2 volt. It reads 2 volt. ये terminal कितना होता है? 2 volt. Not only 10 ohm resistance, since it is parallel, यहाँ जो potential difference होता है वही यहाँ पे भी रहेगा. So 2 volt. It reads 2 volt with 10 ohm resistance. Find internal resistance of the cell. So what the formula we can use for this? V equal to IR. Step 3. If 2 volt read by voltmeter. So we know V equal to IR. In this place we know we are applying Ohm's law. So V equal to IR. V तो आपको मालूम है वोल्टमीटर रीड कर रहा है क्वेश्चन में दिया है 2 वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू करंट क्या है नेट करंट डाल लो 3 by 8 plus 2 और रेजिस्टेंस ये दोनों को सॉल्व करो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर रखे हैं ना 10 15 तो सॉल्व करके 6 है
Sir, 0.5.
0.5 is the correct answer very good girl तो यहाँ पे कितना हुआ 2 equal to 18 by 8 plus 2 है तो 8 plus 2 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो बेटा 8 plus 2 आई है 2 equal to 1 r is equal to 1 by 0.5 ohm 0.5 ohm is the
सर एक बार
Basically-
स्टेप 3 एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं फिर?
हो गया
सर
एक
Hello?
मिनट सर.
Okay.
सर
हाँ
एक बार स्टेप 3 एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं फिर से?
हाँ बेटा, तो व्हाट इज द स्टेप 3 दिया है? if to क्वेश्चन में दिया हो an ideal voltmeter reads 2 volt, तो वोल्टमीटर यहाँ पे मैं करंट वो क्वेश्चन में दिया है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है, इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन an ideal voltmeter reads 2 volt with 10 ohm resistance, तो यहाँ पे 2 volt मिल रहा है by currenting with 10 ohm resistance. Then find the internal resistance of the cell. So in this particular case, what I'm using the formula, Ohm's law formula मैं use कर रहा हूँ, because V I know, वो तो कुछ में ही दे दिया वो आसान से 2 volt दे दिया, so V equal to IR, so V equal to IR, I current, net current डालो, net resistance find करो, डालो, you'll get the answer.
हाँ ठीक है सर.
सर V का वैल्यू क्या है? लाइक इन द सेंस स्टेप में.
Yeah.
हाँ 2 वोल्ट दिया ना.
सर V, how did you cut that?
वो SI यूनिट.
Hello, 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 please reply all of you homework करना.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
anyone send me the participant list भेज दिया बच्चों, कोई भेजा
Sir,
WhatsApp में?
I have sent you,
Yes,
sir. I
yes, sir.
already sent you. भेज दिया
Okay,
sir.
okay. Now, wonderful, wonderful question. Third question. Good question. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
Answer.
1,
Over, sir.
Done, sir.
2, 3,
Yes sir, done.
सर हो
4,
गया.
5, 5, 5. Only 5 pieces I received out of 21.
Yes.
10, sir.
Oh, Neha हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Neha. Very good, बेटा. अरे अबरार कॉपी क्या नहीं करा भाई?
तो सो रहा है सर.
सो
Sir,
रहा है?
Abrar is expert in copying, sir.
कॉपी करा? अबरार, जाहिद,
फिर गूगल लेंस खुला दिया उन्हें.
अबरार
sir.
जाहिद हो गया?
हो गया.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
सर ये अजीज चैट्स में गंदी गंदी बातें भेज रहा है सर।
Hey, shut your mouth nonsense. Sabarish,
Sir, done.
हो गया?
Sir, I can't
Okay,
do
now
it.
we'll understand the question first. थोड़ा lengthy sum, but we have to understand very clear. But easy only. So what the question they are asking? First, please carefully watch the circuit. Circuit level. Return charge flows on the capacitor. How much charge will flow on the capacitor? ये प्रश्न होता है. How much charge will flow on the capacitor? Capacitor charge will last में दिया है. You know the capacitor the concept also you know that. That also you know that.
Louder,
When
your voice is
charging,
not clear.
huh?
Speak louder, your voice is not clear.
Huh?
सर आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है, थोड़ा जोर से बात कर सकते
Hey, that is आवाज से, I'm not जोर से. Rishi,
आई एम नॉट गुड एट हिंदी. हैप्पी?
then don't speak Hindi.
आई लाइक हिंदी.
Are you getting my voice now? थोड़ा ऐसी डाला ऐसी का आवाज बहुत है. Now I'm getting voice
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
clear. अरे बोले रे मक्की, is the voice clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Okay. Now
सर आप
listen.
बात करो सर, आबिद भेरा है।
Okay, now listen carefully. So the first part, what is given? 72-volt battery is connected. 72-volt battery is connected. Then 6 ohm resistance is given here. और यहाँ पे 4 ohm resistance connect हुआ है. And then 2 ohm resistance is given. यहाँ पे 10 ohm resistance is there. By suppose, imagine that, अरे भाई ये capacitor का complete it is not there. If this is not there, then this is like a halwa sum for you, because only voltage is there, and whatever the current they ask, or whatever the particular resistance, what is the current they are asking, or in a particular resistance, what is the potential difference they ask, whatever be the question they ask, na, immediately mention and they will do. है ना बच्चों? But this type of question थोड़ा lengthy होता है, but again you should understand the concept. तो क्या बोलता है ना, यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है, determine the charge flows on the capacitor. कैपेसिटर में कितना चार्ज फ्लो होएगा? Okay, now in the beginning you know that since it is a 70 volt current is flowing there, 70 voltage potential difference is flowing, and how much current is flowing, nothing I know, but I know one concept. In the beginning while charging, this will not be included. Here any resistance is there also. Suppose here if any resistance current also, then current will not flow in the beginning. This question already I gave you the concept. पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Hello, just now we did ना first numerical.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा reply करो भाई. I love
हाँ
you.
सर
I love you.
हाँ सर करे थे
हाँ sir, हाँ sir.
So, अभी देखो time being, for time being, you imagine that we remove this fellow. Okay, for time being, because when the current is flowing instantly, then nothing will be there. This is a storage device, so इसको time लग रहा है. Okay, now determine the charge flows on the capacitor. तो find क्या करेंगे बच्चों? First, what we have to do? Usually, we have to find out what is the first step we'll do. We will do the net resistance. Then we will find out the net current. So till now I have done. Now you give me the answer. What is the net resistance? What is the net current? I will wait for 5 minutes. जल्दी करिए. You solve yourself and give me. Leave this capacitor. Capacitor को भूल जाइए. This part भूल जाइए. You give me the net resistance and net current. If any
The
girl gives, I will
72
say
volt है ना? ये 7.2.
72, not 7.2, not 7.2, 72. Just Chaitali, Saranya, Samyukta, जल्दी बोलिए. Girls, first girl, second boys. What is the net resistance? What is the net current?
Sir, I cannot see you, sir.
Why you want to see me?
Sir, I mean I can't see the board, sir.
सर प्यार हो क्या आपसे?
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेगा सर उन्हें
Please check your camera बेटा. I don't know.
सर 5.4 ओम.
5.4 ohm. क्या है बेटा? Net resistance.
हाँ सर.
All of you check.
लगता है
All the
गलत
others
ही है
should-
sir.
all the
सर
other
वो
students say
गलत किया सर, गलत किया सर।
तू बोल बे, तू बोल।
anyone girl? Any one girl? What is your answer? Any one
Arshad,
girl?
your turn.
सर 8।
Samanya, Samyukta, क्या मैं आंसर क्या मिला?
सर ऋषि is also a
Sir,
girl, he already answered।
5.4.
5.4. Is it correct, Shaidali? 5.4. Why this paper is not?
सर आप
Hello?
फाइंड आउट करो सर।
No, let them give them the chance, no? If they know the
5.4.
series parallel,
5.
everything they
सर 8 एम्पीयर।
8 ampere. See, that's what 8 ampere. Yeah, I want
Ampere?
the net resistance. First of all, net
Sir,
resistance.
5.4.
सर 5.4।
5.4.
अर्षद तो बोला गलत है।
8 ohm.
8 ohm.
सर 9 ohm।
I asked you only two questions. I asked you. One is net resistance. Let me check that. Why they are not replying? Girls are there or not? All of you are there. Hello. Hello. देखो चैदाली send me the location. आके घोषा देके आता हूँ मैं तेरे को. See this Chaidali is not at all replying. What happened? Pooja, Chaidali, Pooja, Samyukta, Sharanya, Stuti Deshmukh. This many girls are sitting very silently. Happily they are sitting and taking biryani. Very bad. देखो,
अरे नहीं sir.
I asked you only two questions. I asked you. You know that already we did many circuits. तो यहाँ पे भी है ना. मैं तो बोला ना भाई. मैं तो क्या बोला इसको भूल जाइए बोला. तो इसको भूल जाइए. This part you forget about this part. Because this part will give you little bit confusion. अभी उसको भूल जाइए. Time being को भूल जाइए. But I want determine the charge flows on the capacitor. So first I want net
ऋषि
resistance.
चुप रहे।
Net resistance. Then second one is net current. Net current. So first step by step we'll go. Okay. Net resistance. Now can anyone learn or anyone by can you explain me to calculate the net resistance? Are we solve from right hand side or from left hand side? What I taught you.
From our right hand side.
Right hand
सर
side.
राइट हैंड साइड।
Yes, Bacho. Yes, Bacho. Perfect. So we have to solve from right hand side, not from the left hand side. Then, if n number of circuits are there, if n number, listen very carefully. If n number of circuits are there, then also, अरे भाई यहाँ पे यहाँ पे one closed circuit है और यहाँ पे please stop messaging, listen the class, monkey fellows, ये काम नहीं करना है बेटा, please stop messaging stupids, first listen, आंसर नहीं दिया मार दूंगा आके, घर घुस के डैडी के पास बोल के मार दूंगा, never message please. लिसन द क्लास. देखो यहाँ पे एक सर्किट है, यहाँ पे एक सर्किट है और यहाँ पे एक सर्किट है, यहाँ पे एक सर्किट है. अरे भाई ऐसे 10 सर्किट दिया मैंने. क्लोज सर्किट 1, क्लोज सर्किट 2, क्लोज सर्किट 3, क्लोज सर्किट 4, like that n number of circuit if I give. In that time also I taught you where is the potential difference you have to see. So potential difference left hand side में दिया है. So from right hand side you have to solve and you have to end up here. Suppose if this potential difference is given the right hand side, you have to go start from left hand side, you have to solve and you have to end up at the potential difference. जो बैटरी होता है ना वो जगह खत्म करना है. Okay, this already you know that. Now like that, if the based on that concept, now listen here. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, and the current flows like this. Current is flowing like this. So current flows like this, it goes like this. Will it come and stop at the junction? जल्दी बोलिए. Will it come and stop at the junction? Now from the junction, will it flow here and here also? दोनों तरफ से flow होएगा.
यस सर।
फटाफट आंसर करना बेटा. दोनों तरफ फ्लो होएगा ना? Because of
हाँ
junction.
सर।
हाँ. तो ये दोनों क्या हुआ? दोनों.
सीरीज।
Very
Series,
good
sir.
one. तो ये दोनों होता है सीरीज होता है. Why means after that there is no circuit at all. The current flow, the same current will flow here also because this point to this point it is in series. After that there is no circuit. तो ये current है ना यहाँ पे हम डिवाइड हो रहा है. तो डिवाइड होने से this two will become series and then this series का आंसर इसको ये parallel बनेगा. Understand or not? Already we did this ना. अरे बोलना रे भाई टाइम हो रहा है मेरे को.
हाँ
अब्दुल
सर।
गनी,
yes sir, yes
हाँ
sir.
सर।
Abdul
यस
Ghani, if I
सर।
get the message from you, that's all, Abdul Ghani. Nonsense.
अरे
I
काला
told you,
पागल हो गया।
specifically I told you, now stop the messages within the class. So देखो, this 2 ohm and 10 ohm, this is in series, very good, above told. So if it is series, what's the answer? जल्दी बोलिए.
12.
What's the answer?
12, sir.
Series means what's the answer?
Sir, 12.
12.
12.
12 ohms,
12
sir.
को 4. 12 को 4 parallel हुआ. What is the answer?
3.
3 ohms. 3 ohms.
3 ohms को ये क्या हुआ?
Series.
3
Series.
plus
What
4
is the answer?
2 plus
What is
6
the answer? What
and
is the
9
answer?
ohms.
9 ohm.
9 is the
9,
answer.
9.
और तो
Oh,
मेरा
you are-
गलती है.
तो प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट परफेक्टली. प्लीज कॉन्सेंट्रेट. क्योंकि मजाक कर रहा है तो जूस निकाल दूंगा. कि बच्चों प्लीज लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. तो देखो ये खेल की मजाक नहीं है. प्लीज लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. सो 2 and 10 they are in series. So first step write down 2 and 10 are in series. Step 1. So 2 and 10 is series means 2 plus 10. कितना होगा भाई? 12 ohm मिला. और 12 को 4 are parallel. 12 and 4 ohm are parallel. So parallel means what you do? 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4. ये सब आपको 1 by r equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. अरे भाई वही यही आएगा वो, है ना? तो शॉर्ट ट्रिक मारने सीख लेना. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r. ये सब हो गया, इसका जमाना हो गया. तो शॉर्ट ट्रिक फटाफट करके जाना है, क्योंकि लेंथी न्यूमेरिकल्स होता है ना, तो जल्दी करना है. तो 12 into 4 48. 12 plus 4 16. तो इसका 3 ohm. Okay, so this 12 and this 4, I solved that. 3 ohm I get. Then this 3, this answer and this 6 ohm is series. So the answer 3 ohm and here 6 ohm are in series. Are in series. Therefore 3 plus 6, 9 ohm is the final answer. 9 ohm is not the final answer. 9 ohm is the net resistance. Net resistance answer 9 ohms. Please copy. One by one. This is step 1. Step 1, you have to find out what is the net resistance. हो गया?
सर
हो गया?
नहीं सर 6 और 4 को सीरीज ले सकते पहले बिगिनिंग स्टेप में.
जो बोल रहा हूँ वो कर. बिगिनिंग स्टेप से यहाँ से गया तो then you will get the wrong answer. Understand?
हाँ सर मुझे इसलिए 5.4
सर
आया था.
वो लड़की पागल है सर.
Hey, ऋषि, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही सुनना है. Understand?
यस सर.
Never confuse. अरे ऋषि मंकी,
हाँ
are you
सर
getting my
हाँ
voice?
सर.
हाँ, चुप के जाके कंफ्यूज नहीं कराना. बच्चों को जाके कंफ्यूज मत करा.
ठीक है.
Senseless
monkey
gospel.
ने सर गेंडा.
Whatever the way I am telling you, follow that method. Don't confuse the
हाँ,
children. You will
ठीक
do
है
that, but other children they will get confused. हो गया?
हो
Yes,
गया
sir.
सर.
So
हो
net
गया.
resistance is finished. Now, any one girl can you give net resistance हो गया तो बहुत आसान से कर सकते हैं. What is the net current? Step 2. Step 2 net current. Wait,
Eight.
girls. Only girls should say.
Sir, 8. Sir, 8.
8 ampere. Okay, we'll check that. Net current. What is the ohms law? I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. So net voltage को 72 वोल्ट दिया है. Net resistance पूरा resistance को मैंने solve किया. What is the net resistance? 9 ohm मिला. So 8 ohm போது 72. So 8 ampere current is flowing. Fantastic, Sharanya. So net current, write down. Net current equal to 8 ohm. First you should keep this ready. What is net resistance? What is net current? इसको ready से रख लीजिए. Then you will understand the concept. Clear? समझ में? हो गया? Clear on the board?
सर.
हाँ.
सर 1 मिनट.
सर फिर कैपेसिटर का काम क्या है?
मंकी, ऋषि मार दूंगा तेरे को सही में.
सर वो पागल है
First
सर.
second location 10 plus buffer.
सर
Step
monkey
by
ने
step.
सर गेंडा गेंडा.
You, so, just now I told you not to disturb the class. Immediately you are jumping to that. ये तो साला ऐसा फंसाता है भाई, सबको दिमाग खराब करने के लिए. I am going to teach you ना. It is not the final answer ना.
हाँ सॉरी सर.
तेरे को सबर नहीं है.
सर ओरांगुटान हमेशा ऐसे ही करते.
हाँ, हो गया. Now shut your mouth. हो गया. Copy हो गया.
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
ऋषि हो गया.
हो गया सर.
So first one what you should know, net resistance we should find out, and second one what you should know, net current find out करके रख लीजिए. It will be useful. Why it will be useful? Now I'm going to ask you the question. What's the question they're asking? Rishi बोलिए. Rishi open your mouth. What's the question? Read the question.
सर अनपढ़ है अनपढ़ है.
कुछ भी है. Determine the
Hey.
charge on the capacitor.
What is that?
Determine the charge acting on the capacitor.
What is the formula? What is the charge formula?
सर ये ohms law.
What is the charge formula? Formula तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. If you don't read the formula, if you don't by heart the formula, if you don't memorize the formula, you cannot do even a single numerical. What's the charge formula?
Sir, Q is equals to C.
Very good girl, very good girl. ये ऋषि को मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, but Sharanya is answering. Anyhow, congratulations to Sharanya. So charge, what is the charge formula? C equal to Q by V. Capacitance we know, but they're asking charge Q equal to CV. Very good. At least one girl she said the formula. So Q equal to CV. All of you understand this formula? जल्दी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
Say all of you yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So C equal to Q by V. What is the definition of the capacitance? Capacitance का definition क्या होता है? So Q by V, है ना? तो charge करते हैं C का basic formula C equal to Q by V, but we don't want that. We want charge. तो Q चाहिए क्योंकि charge पूछ रहा है, तो cross multiply कर लीजिए. Q equal to C into V. Now my question to you is, so this Rishi fellow was asking, sir capacitor का क्या काम है? Capacitor का क्या काम है? Monkey, now only I'm going to teach you. So Q equal to CV you have to find out. Now C का value is given here. Q equal to C का value is there.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So C का value यहाँ पे है. Now V, what is the potential difference between the capacitor? Is it given?
No.
No, sir.
Now some children they think that since the 72 volt ये पैरेलल में कनेक्ट हुआ है, so 72 volt only the potential difference existing between the capacitor. Is it correct answer?
No, sir.
Is it correct
No,
answer?
sir.
No.
Very good, boys. Very good. So this is the wrong answer. So that means what we have to do? So Q equal to CV, you know, C का value तो दे दिया है 10 microfarad दिया है, but V, the potential difference between the two terminals of the capacitor, I don't know. The potential difference existing between these two terminals is I don't know. But I taught you already. What I taught you, if in a circuit, in a closed circuit, nothing is there. Nothing means what? No resistance, no capacitance, same voltage, same potential difference will flow or not. If nothing
Yes,
is there.
sir. Yes, sir.
So listen here, listen the circuit again. Again, concentrate on the circuit. I'll change and modify the circuit. देखो, try on the board. Copy it. After this, you copy it.
हाँ sir,
Yes, sir.
कॉपी कर लिया sir. हो गया.
All the girls, Neha, Shruti, all of you copied.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now I want the capacitor also. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Already I taught you. Here, what is this terminal? What is this terminal? Low potential. High
Low
potential.
low potential.
Low
Low
potential means what is the value?
Negative values.
minus sir.
Low potential means generally what is the value?
Negative.
Negative
Sir,
only.
minus.
What is the value? Low potential means what is the value always?
0.
Very good, Mahi. It is zero, a monkey. High potential, this is, and this is low potential. So here, दो और याद रखो बोला था मैंने. Plus minus. All the children they know. Even LKG of Jubail, you go and ask, they will also say big line is a plus, small line is a minus. Everybody they will say, but you should say what is called a high potential, what is called a low potential. So low potential is zero. And this point, anything, any resistor is there, any capacitor is there here.
No sir.
No.
So what is the value here? At this terminal, what is the value? Can you say?
0.
Very good one. V equal to 0. What is the value here?
0.
Same 0 to come out.
Zero
That
sir.
is
Zero.
zero. Very good. So V equal to 0. Very good. Because same negative, all the lines are connected to negative terminal. Then what is the value here?
0.
0.
Zero,
Very
sir.
good. Very good, children. So what is the value here?
0.
0. Very good. So from this, what do you understand very clearly? When nothing is there in the circuit. अरे भाई suppose यहाँ पे एक resistor दे दिया मैंने यहाँ पे एक resistor दिया. Now can you say it is 0 0? यहाँ पे बोल सकता है?
No sir.
No, you cannot say. So बच्चों carefully watch that. When nothing is there, the same voltage, the same thing will continue. Okay. So V equal to 0. That means capacitor, one side I understand what is the potential. तो capacitor का एक side मेरे को पता चल गया भाई 0 होता है potential. और capacitor का और एक side होता है ना. So ये side पे कितना potential होता है. That only I have to calculate. I told you it is a very beautiful numerical, wonderful numerical. तो थोड़ा दिमाग चलाना है. So now listen here very carefully. If the 72 volt current is flowing, potential difference is there. This 72 will come here, like 0 it has come here. Here 72 will come here.
Yes.
अरे पता नहीं.
Yes.
Then 72 will come here ना.
Yes sir.
So 72
sir.
volt. You write down at this terminal 72 volt full will come here. But now at this junction, what is the potential? I don't know, because 72 volt it has to swallow some, it will take, and remaining will go there. I don't know that. That I have to calculate. That I have to check. So I'm giving which I don't know. I'm giving the name P बोल के जनरल से नेम दे दो और X बोल के दे दो और तेरा नाम हर्षद मंकी है ये बोल के दे दे. अभिद अंसार है अभिद अंसार बोल के उसको नाम दे दे कुछ भी दे दे. और यहाँ पे देखो मेरे को पोटेंशियल नहीं पता है तो क्यों बोल के. If you calculate this P and the Q value, then you are the genius. Then you can solve that. Immediately you can say what is Q equal to C का आंसर क्या है, you can बोल सकते हैं. तो ये कैसा करेंगे, थोड़ा सोचिए, दिमाग लगाइए. This is 72 volt.
हमने करंट कैलकुलेट किया था ना एम्पियर्स में.
Okay.
सो यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस का दिया हुआ है तो हम लोग वोल्टेज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ना, बिकॉज सेम करंट फ्लो हो रहा है.
Fantastic girl, fantastic girl. So यहाँ पे net resistance, net and current already you found. So that means 8 ampere current is flowing. Already you got. So net current flowing in equal to very current. जल्दी बोलिए. कौन सी हो बच्ची? कैसा नहीं? कौन सा current? So net
सर
current flowing. Net current flowing is 8 ampere. So current is flowing 8 ampere means the same current will flow from here to here. 8 ampere current is flowing. But still I don't know what is the potential difference here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use V equal to IR formula मैंने use कर रहा हूँ. V equal to IR. Potential difference between these 2 points will be equal to IR. So use by using Ohm's law, from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law. Now tell me which is the high potential? कौन सा high potential, कौन सा low potential? जल्दी बोलिए.
72 volt.
Very good one. So 72 will be the high potential. So high potential, low potential current जा रहा है. So 72 high potential minus low potential I don't know. So VP.
P.
है ना? So
Yes,
V
sir.
by I equal to V by R. फॉर्म क्या है? ओम्स का फॉर्म क्या है?
V equals to IR.
V equal to I. तो I equal to V by R बोल सकते हैं ना?
हाँ सर.
हाँ
हाँ
सर.
sir.
So I V by R. तो V डाल दिया मैंने. अभी what is the resistance here from here to here? What is the resistance?
6 ohms.
6 ohm.
This is what the girl said. 6 ohm, which is equal to current. How much current is flowing in this terminal? In this point. In this point, how much current is
8
flowing?
or
8
8
ampere.
ampere.
8. Now solve this. You will get VP value. Vice principal का value मिल जाएगा देखो. So 72 minus VP will be equal to R into half. So 72 minus 40 will be equal to VP. What is VP? Tell me. Very बोलिए.
24.
24
Yeah.
volt. So
24
VP
is
का value मिला भाई 24 volt मिल गया. What a beautiful numerical बोला ना. तो यहाँ पे आप निकाल लीजिए 24 volt is there. 24 volt underneath there at the point B. So 72 volt is there भाई. 24 high potential to low potential. 24 volt मिला मेरे को. In this particular point B, I got that 24 volt, but still I don't know what is the Q potential. If I found the Q potential, the same potential, because nothing is there. From Q to this terminal, nothing is there. So same potential will exist. So first I have to find out P. मेरे को तो P मिल गया. अभी Q find out करना है. Copy करो. हो गया?
सर एक डाउट.
हाँ बोलो.
सर 4 ohm नीचे भी करंट फ्लो करे तो वहां पे V इक्वल टू 0 कैसे हुआ?
Because all the terminals, this terminal और ये resistance का lower terminal, ये resistance का lower terminal, ये capacitor का lower terminal, all the terminals are connected to the negative.
Okay, yes.
So lower negative का value क्या होता है? Low potential का value क्या होता है?
0.
Zero. So 0, 0, 0. But if anything in between is there means that 0 will not flow. Already once numerical I taught you ना, this based on this. High potential, low potential. याद आया नहीं आया?
हाँ sir,
Yes.
याद आया sir.
हो गया. तो अभी
Yes.
कौन मेरे को याद रहेगा what is Q? Can anyone tell me what is Q? So I
high
told you
potential minus low
what
potential.
is that? हाँ 24 volt मैं तो दे दिया मैंने.
24 volt.
Anyone tell me what is Q value solve करके बोलिए.
Sir, Q equal 8 volt.
8 volt.
8 volt.
Yes
Yes sir, 8 volt.
volt.
पक्का?
हाँ
पक्का
sir,
सर.
हाँ sir.
पक्का?
100%
सर
sure, sir.
पक्का रॉन्ग आंसर, पक्का रॉन्ग आंसर, पक्का
सर
रॉन्ग।
कैसे?
कैसे अभी देखेंगे, थोड़ा सोचो सोचो।
जादू जादू से।
V इक्वल टू आई आर बोलते हैं भाई, यहाँ पे तो डाला मैंने V इक्वल टू आई आर, ओके सेम फॉर्मूला यू अप्लाई लिया, सही है।
सर इधर टोटल 72
सर
और
बच्चों
को
16
अरे बच्चों लिसन, अरे बच्चों लिसन, V इक्वल टू आई आर का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करना इस टर्मिनल पे, यहाँ से यहाँ
हाँ
तक
सर, हाँ सर,
फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर वी यूज ओम्स लॉ का फॉर्मूला यूज करा ना,
हाँ सर.
तो सेम ओम्स लॉ का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे भी यूज करा ना, तो इसलिए यू गेट 8, सही है।
Yes, sir. I use like that only.
हाँ यू डिड लाइक दैट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रॉन्ग। देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस, यहाँ पे एक पार्ट होता है, यहाँ पे दो ब्रांच हो गया ना भाई, यहाँ पे तो ब्रांच नहीं था, यहाँ पे तो एक ही ब्रांच था, डायरेक्टली वी इक्वल टू आई आर यूज करा, यहाँ पे दो ब्रांच है, दो ब्रांच होने से यू
Okay,
कैन
okay.
नॉट दिस पर्टिकुलर, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम।
सर मतलब सीरीज में करना है सर रेसिस्टेंस।
ये ऋषि चुप रे।
सर को पूछ रहा हूँ, तो सर है
हाँ वे चुप रे लड़की।
आया बड़ा लड़की।
ए ऋषि।
साइलेंट साइलेंट।
यस बच्चों जल्दी बोलिए, एनीवन एनीवन। So imagine that the potential difference is 24 volt here, पक्का।
Sir,
So
6
20,
है.
hello, yes,
18 है क्या? 18.
hello,
Hello.
हाँ
18 है sir.
18,
Yes.
which one, Q का value?
हाँ.
हाँ, small mistake is there बच्चों, lovely girl, who is that?
16
16, हाँ वो 18 बोले तो मेरे बच्चे 16 बोलेगा, और ये क्या बोलेगा 19 बोलेगा, और ये क्या बोलेगा दो कम करके बोलेगा, this and that will not occur. The problem,
सर 20।
who is that? 2 increase करके बोल दिया, right? Tell me. Okay बच्चों, now listen the concept, listen the concept.
18
So here 72 volt is here, और यहाँ पे 24 वोल्ट मिला, यहाँ पे 6 ओम रेजिस्टेंस, यहाँ पे 8 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग, 8 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग, 8 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग। वेरी गुड, फर्स्ट ट्रैक इज परफेक्टली आई फिनिश्ड। Now the second track, not only second track is there, second and third दो ट्रैक मिल गया भाई, दो ट्रैक मिल गया। तो दो ट्रैक मिलने से आई यहाँ पे एक ट्रैक है, यहाँ पे एक ट्रैक करने से फर्स्ट यू शुड नो हाउ मच करंट इज फ्लोइंग हियर एंड हाउ मच करंट इज फ्लोइंग हियर। सो करंट यहाँ पे कितना देखेंगे, देखो इसमें देखो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दे दिया, यहाँ पे देखो यू नो द हाई पोटेंशियल इज 24, लो पोटेंशियल इज 0, तो पोटेंशियल परफेक्टली इज गिवन, रेजिस्टेंस भी दिया है। सो व्हाट इज आई, कैन यू से any 4 ohm resistor, 4 ohm resistor current, what's the current will I, current I equal to what's the formula, E equal to V by R ना, अरे बोलो ना भाई,
हाँ
Yes, sir.
सर।
ऐसा बोलो, तो I equal to V by R, so what is V, V is 24 volt, in this track alone you see, very simple, so 4, so कितना हुआ, जल्दी बोलिए,
अरे
6 ampere.
6
very
एम्पियर
good,
सर।
6 ampere, so write down here 6 ampere current is flowing, तो यहाँ पे 6 अगर से 8 एम्पियर पे ये वाला 6 एम्पियर करंट इट इज swallowing, so how much remaining current will flow there?
2।
Fantastic boys, so junction rule, तो यहाँ पे 2 ampere current is flowing, when यहाँ पे 2 ampere current is flowing, then easily you can find out what is the potential difference there, अभी जो जल्दी बोलो,
तो
ये बताइए
13.3 कुछ आ रहा है मुझे।
13.3,
सर ऋषि पागल है, उसका मत सुनो सर, काला गेंडा।
अर्षद तुझे कोई ओपिनियन नहीं पूछे तेरे
साइलेंट
existence के
साइलेंट
बारे में।
साइलेंट मैथ।
unnecessarily don't talk, do the job, जल्दी बोलो। Now what's the VQ? VQ can use the formula, भैया ओम्स लॉ का फार्मूला लगा दूं,
हाँ सर।
रेडीमेड आई हैव ना, so what is VQ? VQ will be equal to I, कितना करंट जा रहा है भाई, 2 एम्पीयर करंट इज फ्लोइंग, so what is the resistance? नहीं, फर्स्ट करंट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, फर्स्ट करंट इज, हाँ ओके, I V इक्वल टू IR होता है ना, VQ इक्वल टू 2 into 2 4, सही है।
और आंसर
जल्दी बोलो. So you can use this. You can use this track. ये track का कुछ भी नहीं है ना यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे तो current तो find कर लिया. So VQ और यहाँ पे देखो VQ this high potential to low potential. So VQ you don't know. VQ is equals to IR. VQ is equal to. Now you tell me. Please answer my question, बच्चों. If 2 ohm resistance, if 2 ampere current is flowing in this track, ये तो circuit तो बंद हो गया. 2 ampere current is flowing here. Carefully watch. 2 ampere current is flowing. How much current will flow here?
2 ampere.
2 ampere only will flow. So here also 2 ampere only will flow. Why you said 2 ampere? Can anyone tell me why you said 2 ampere?
Because the it is flowing in series connection, and series connection current is.
Fantastic, boy. It shows in series. So 2 ampere current only flows. Now easily you can solve that. High potential you don't know. Low potential you know. So VQ easily V equal to IR का formula डाल दो. VQ equal to I 2 ampere current is flowing. Resistance 10 ohm. So 20 volt. 20 volt. So this place means that 20 volt you are getting. Since you get 20 volt here, same 20 volt you get here. Now can you tell me the final answer? Q equal to CV. Who will say Q equal to CV?
So 200.
Very good, girl. So capacitance is 10 microfarad into voltage is 20. So Q equal to 200 microcoulomb is the answer. Microfarad 10 to minus 6. 200 microcoulomb. Class. So with that, many concepts we finished. Okay. Now, now till now we have seen the closed circuits. Now we will see one open circuit. Open circuit.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir. Sir, to find VQ, we used V equal IR formula. Sir, did we ever use the formula? Did we ever use the value of 6 ampere?
6 ampere?
So did we use the 6 ampere for value in any this one to calculate the Q value?
No, no, बेटा 6 एम्पीयर तो यहाँ पे हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है ना. यहाँ पे 6 एम्पीयर करंट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे 8 एम्पीयर करंट हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे 8 एम्पीयर करंट से ये वाला क्या करता है, 6 एम्पीयर करंट इन्हें फॉलो कर रहा है. उसके बाद रिमेनिंग 2 एम्पीयर करंट इन्हें ले रहा है. ये 2 एम्पीयर करंट सिंस इट इज सीरीज ये भी ले रहा है. तो ये करने से हमें आसान से हमें क्या कर दिया, हमें इंस्टेड ऑफ फाइंडिंग ये यहाँ पे तो पोटेंशियल फाइंड होता है, यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल यूज से हमें क्या करते हैं, ट्रैक यूज करते हैं. तो V को यूज करते हैं I into R डालो 20 वोल्ट. तो सेम 20 वोल्ट हियर विल गेट. तो Q इक्वल टू C हमें सब पता है.
Okay, sir.
Copy करो. After copying, please tell me. So such a beautiful question.
Done, sir.
हो गया सर.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
हो गया sir.
Sir, finish.
Okay. Mahi, over.
देखो सूता हूँ
Mahi, हो गया.
हो गया.
Mahi Patel.
நான் பயமுறுத்துறவன் கிடையாரா, பயமுறுத்துறவன். அமெரிக்கன் காலேஜ் வரைக்கும் இல்லடா, அமெரிக்கன் காலேஜ் தான் நான் கிளம்பிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். இன்னைக்கு நீ நான் முடிவு பண்ணிடுவோம்டா. அடே பொட்ட பொறிக்கு பயந்தான் ஒழிப்பேனே. நான் பயம். Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ramadan read, bro.
Boys, if you do like this, please listen carefully. You are studying 12th standard, and in summer vacation also, I have to take the class. For 12th standard, if I get any moment, if I get like this, then I have to report to your dad and mom separately. I have to report. Otherwise, separately I'll call your parents and I'll inform this. Because of some nonsense idiot, you are sending the link. You are playful. If you are playful like this, permanently I will remove all the boys. Permanently, unless your parents say that. Sir, please allow my child to study. 2 months is there, never play. In 2 months, almost 3 to 4 chapters I'll complete. So if at all, if you play with me like this, if I see next minute, if I see any nonsense things, because I don't find time. Main thing is you are studying 12th standard. For so many years, I have taken the online classes. I never get disturbance like this. If I get disturbance like this, unless your dad promised me and he give the assurance, I will not entertain you I will not allow you from the next class onwards. Permanently, I will remove you. All the boys in total, unless your dad gives me the permission. आपका डैडी मेरे को बात करना है, बात करके वो वादा करना है. I know that some of the useless beggars who is sharing the link and unnecessarily wasting my time, useless beggar words you are using, that to a teacher while taking the class. अभी याद रख लो बच्चों, it is not a joke for you. For you, it is a joke. For me, it's not a joke because I am concerned for about my children. Their life is there, their future is there. I know that none of the girl will do like this. If I get separately, if I get from girls or if I get the boys like this, then totally I'll stop the classes. This is the last day, last warning I'm giving you. So many years I continue this online classes, but if you do like this, आज से बंद हो जाएगा याद रखिए. Unless your dad calls me and give the assurance, then only I'll allow you. All of you getting this point? All of you received this information?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Especially for Tamilian. Especially for Tamilian. If any moment, if I receive this kind of disturbance or anything, or any even a North Indian fellow to whom I know whatever you do, because your age is like that, my experience, I know what you do, what you fellows will do. If you share like this, my link and all to anyone, and if any disturbance I get means, then forcibly I have to stop the whole classes. Only the trustable students only will be allowed. So please yaad rakh lijiye. Again, I'm telling you, this platform is not a joke. It's not for joke. You are studying 12th standard. Be serious. If you don't be serious, then you will see that. What I'm going to do, you will see that. Okay, please keep this. And this is the last warning I'm giving you. That's all, bachcho. Next, last circuit take down. These are all the closed circuit. अभी एक open circuit को कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? By using Kirchhoff loop rule. And the boy is God, whoever is not attending, and permanently I'll remove them also. If you are not interested, I'm least to bother about you. That's why I am asking you to send the participant list. If you are not interested, permanently I'll remove. Why you are disturbed? Why should I disturb you? Why should you disturb my mind? My time also you are wasting. If you are not interested, go away. Wherever you are having interest, go and study there. I'm least bothered. Several times I'm telling you, I want the result I produced. See, last year also I told you how Ayman has got 94 marks in physics. Amir, one of the best boy in the school, physics में topper आया, MBBS कर रहा है. तो year after I should not get disturbance. तो disturbance हुआ, पक्का permanent से remove कर दूंगा मैंने. Okay, so keep it in mind. हो गया? हम ना fellows है ना, तमिलियन fellows है ना, कुछ गंदे गंदे disturb कर रहे हैं. कौन पता नहीं है. पूरे तमिल में निकालो तो पता चलेगा. Unless उसके डैडी मालूम है कैसा सॉल्व करना है. Unnecessarily they are disturbing class. लड़कियां रहता है ना, इससे गंदे गंदे बात कर लेगा, गंदे गंदे मैसेज कर लेगा. And from today onwards, I should not see any kind of message also. Stop the message. If you send the message, that's all. Send me in personal WhatsApp. In my personal WhatsApp, आपको कुछ भी doubt है, take the photo and send me. I'll solve you. I'll help you. Regarding studies, I'm very much happy to solve every question. I'm ready to help you. तो ये छोड़ेगा unnecessarily among yourselves you are typing, chatting, गलीज word use करने का. Stop that nonsense. Take down this question. मैं रियाद से भाग के आ रहा हूँ बच्चों को क्लास लेना बोल के. They never bother about this. देखो कितना ये जल्दी होते हैं सर ये लोग को. अभी एग्जाम आने वाला है ना, थोड़ा हमें सो बच्चों को हेल्प करेंगे. So 2 ampere current is flowing, 2 ohm resistance is connected, and 3 volt battery is there. 1 ohm resistance is there. Now the question is find the potential difference between A to B. Find the potential difference between A. ये कैसा कर सकते हैं? Yes, now you show your talent in this instead of talking very rubbish thing. That's how to solve this. Already I gave you the clue and all. Windstone, by using the Windstone bridge concept or Kirchhoff's loop rule, junction rule, everything we did. Tell me anyone. Anyone can you give the clue at least? The question is find VA minus V. Potential difference between VA and V. Find VA minus VB. Yes, anyone? Two more question.
Sir, we can
What's the
create
answer?
circuit from VA to VB externally.
Okay. What's the answer? जल्दी बोलिए. जल्दी बोलिए बेटा. Loop rule apply करो ना. Kirchhoff's voltage law or Kirchhoff's loop rule or Kirchhoff's voltage law. Where the battery and resistance is there. मालूम नहीं है? No idea? Okay, can you tell me at least my question? Can you answer my question? If I go in this track, if I select this track, along the direction, minus or plus you will consider. What's the clue I gave you? Anyone?
Sir, plus.
Along the direction, if I travel, current direction पे ही मैं भी travel कर रहा हूँ, so shall we take minus or plus?
Plus.
Check that. Kirchhoff's loop rule. Girls, I taught you already.
Sir, plus.
Minus.
Minus. Very good. So along the direction, we will take current also is flowing in my track direction. We used to take minus. So what is the question they're asking? We current high potential to low potential. Current goes from high potential to low potential. So ये आपके VA like यहाँ पे ऐसा जा रहा है ना minus to plus. The current is flowing like this. Suppose if this the track my track is not given me. Suppose the current is flowing like this. So minus by very good. One girl said that minus. So minus use करके बोलिए minus use करके first answer what it will become first answer. So if this is high potential, VB to VA, VB minus VA will be equal to minus Adia. What's the formula? Minus along the direction minus
Minus
uh,
minus 6i.
no. What's the formula? First tell me the formula. Minus
Minus W by
minus I into very good. Minus I into R. So how much current is flowing? How much current is flowing? 2 ampere current is flowing. So minus I. Ohm's law का formula क्या है आपका? V equal to IR. Ohm's law का formula V equal to IR. तो V मैंने डाल दिया. IR मेरे को चाहिए. ये फर्स्ट डिस्प्लेस I भी है R भी है. तो minus I into R. तो हो गया. ये दो हो गया. और the voltage is going from positive to negative. I'm going. So voltage is gain is not there. Voltage reduction is there. So high potential to low potential I am traveling. So in that case, what's the clue I gave you? You have forgotten the clue. Whatever the clue I have mentioned that everything you have forgotten. So again minus 3 volt. Okay. Then here one more resistance is there. So इसका बोलिए. Again, so first part is over. This resistance part is over. This voltage part is over. Now one resistance is there. So same current is flowing. जल्दी बोलिए. Minus
2.
minus
2 into 1.
2
into R नहीं बोलना है. R का वैल्यू क्या है?
2 into minus 2.
1. Very good. So minus 2 into R. So R का वैल्यू 1 है तो 1. That's all. Now you solve this and tell me the answer. जल्दी solve करके बोलिए. What's the answer?
Sir, minus 9.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 9.
Minus 6. Minus 3.
Sir,
I'm getting two answer. Minus 6, minus 9. Which one is correct?
Minus 9, sir.
sir, minus 9.
So 2 into 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2.
minus 9.
So 4, 7, 9. Minus 9, I'm getting the answer. Minus 9. So VB minus VA, VB minus VA. Why means positive, the circle will be like this. So positive to negative VB minus VA equal to minus 9. But they are not asking VB minus VA. They are asking potential difference between A and B. So VA minus VB. VA minus VB. So minus 9 is the Next question. Inshallah, we will see in next class. हो गया? So in that, as again I'm telling you बच्चों, देखो बच्चों, एक बार याद रख लीजिए. Again I'm telling you, resistance in series and parallel, holding symmetry, mirror symmetry. If capacitor is added, what to do? If finding potential at any resistance, finding the current in each branch, or Whinstone bridge का concept, or infinite resistance. Infinite resistance मैंने नहीं teach किया आपको. Suppose n number of series is there, तो वो कैसा teach करने का? Okay, that I'll teach you next class. Then for polarity reverse कर दिया. Suppose one polarity is like this, another polarity they will give here like this. So like this they will give. So polarity reverse हुआ तो उसको कैसा solve कर सकते हैं? Okay, this kind of numerical we will see in next class. So next class will be the last class for your current electricity. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye. See you. Bye.
The next class कब है?
Thank you.
I'll inform you. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Jazakallah khair.
Eid Mubarak.